So I found my old friend yesterday, Sherbert. He used to fuck with Sean all the time. Think I'm gonna bring him back.
God. John and his wild parties. Wait, John, would you please put Sherbert away?
Hey, Sean.
I don't want to talk to you, Sherbert.
What's going on?
Stop talking, I'm not listening.
Why the long face?
Shut up!
The bad haircut, is that it?
I don't have a bad haircut.
Your little poof?
What is wrong with the poof?
Sean, you look gay.
You look gay. And no, I'm done. I can see a lips moving, John. I'm not 12 years old. This is some stupid freaking puppet.
Alright, you're right, fair enough. I had to go to the bathroom anyways.
Son of a bitch. I got you now, you little bastard.
Hey!
What the fuck?
Stay away from me!
What, John, this isn't funny. What the hell?
What? Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself! Ah, pizza's here. Well, that was immature.
You know what's immature, John? A 19-year-old who carries a puppet around.